Amazon delivered the other day while I was at work, and I wanted to share this with y'all. I've opened this up already, but I was going to show you what I got. Okay, so we got a little box, bag of screws, and a little tool. That's for this, one of my lathe tools for turning pins. The cutter, I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's all nicked up. I think it got knocked around quite a bit when we moved. I've had this for a couple of years, and I have never changed the cutters out on it. I mean, I've swapped it around because they're indexable, so you can take and turn your cutter anytime it gets all nicked up. They're not expensive, but they're not cheap. But I found these on Amazon. I had ordered another set, and it was for all three of my tools. I've got a diamond, a round, and the square, and I don't know where I laid them at, but the diamond and the circle worked fine, but the square was 11 millimeters and not 14. So, and I'll leave a link in the description in case you have these same ones. I think I got these from Turner's Warehouse. I've had them for, like I said, several years. But I'm gonna see if this blade, they look the same to me. So we'll put the number 1 up top. And I'm just going to reuse the same screw. I don't need to change it. It's fine. But I'm glad they sent new ones. Just on the off chance that I lost this one or something. But these feel really, really sharp. Just thought I'd share that with you. Let's see if you can see this. And this is a pack of 10 pieces. And I don't remember what I paid, but I think it was like 15 bucks for this. Which, if you've ever bought Carbide inserts, you know that's a deal if they're any count. And this looks identical to the original one. So I've got high hopes for it. Stay tuned, like and subscribe. Stay tuned, because I'm going to get my wood lathe set up eventually, and we'll start turning some pins. In the meantime, I may actually even try it on my metal lathe, but that's another video for another day. Hope you're doing well. We'll see you in the next video.